Hi folks, welcome to the Sam Leman Chrysler Jeep Dodge store. We're here today from the PermaPlate Corporation to talk to you about our products that we install here at the dealership. 3 products we put on all your vehicles here at the store for your protection. We start with a product called Paint Guard. Paint Guard is an actual silicone-based wax sealant that goes over your clear coat that virtually seals in all your paint, all your chrome trim, all of your headlights from yellowing, fogging, and fading, and we actually even go on and we apply it to your rims on alloy wheels from salt damage, from permanent brake dust damage, all these from environmental damage like bird droppings, tree sap, industrial fallout, sun, whatever it may be. And if there were an occurrence to the car, a tree sap, bird droppings, anything industrial fallout, anything that could happen chemically from up from under the ground or on top, we're going to come out and we're going to make sure that we repair it. And if we need to, we will repaint it or replace it for you. Folks, let's talk a little bit also about the interior coverage. Our interior protection, we actually put 2 products on your interior of the vehicle. We put a fiber guard on all the upholstered cloth or the mats and the trunk and cargo areas to protect against any spills, drops, anything from a pet to a drink spill. We even go as far as covering your rips, tears, burns, punctures. If you had a pen in your pocket, if you had anything that maybe a cigarette, maybe whatever it was that would cause that, we're going to also protect your leather and your vinyl, and we're going to come out and we're going to take care of that. We'll either repair that and replace that as well. Some of the benefits of the interior, we cover your dashboard from premature aging, from fading. We cover the door panels. We cover all this area for your benefit. We're going to then go ahead and we're going to take care of all the seats. Like I said, we're even going to cover your mats and the trunk area. So those benefits are all included as well. From any kind of spills, from any kind of odors, from the little ones with muddy boots or whatever they may have, we're going to take care of all that for you. Folks, to show you a little bit about our interior protection for your leather and your vinyl, what we have here is what we call our fiber cards. We have treated this side of it with our protection, and this side has no protection on it. So basically, if you decided not to go with the program, this would be what you would have in your hands. So I'm going to do it 2 different ways. I'm going to do one, the first with oil. Why do we use oil, guys? It's one of the harshest things you can put on the interior, exterior of your car. Okay? If it'll stop oil, your pop, your juice, your candy, anything like that, virtually will not be able to penetrate. Okay? So I'm going to take a little bit, and I'm going to put it on the untreated side. See what that works. And then I'm going to take a ton, put it on the treated side. You can see right away what that's designed to do. So on the treated side, it's designed to sit and beat up and easily be removed. On the untreated side, you can see already what it's starting to do. So what we do is I wipe that off for you. I also am going to do the same thing with a Sharpie. So I take a Sharpie and I put it on the untreated side, and you can see it starts to bleed. And you can see it'll go right through. On the treated side, we could sit here all day. Keep going. Nothing. Untreated, treated. So that's your interior protection for your leather and your vinyl. Okay, folks, one of the last things that we do for our demos is we actually do something pretty drastic. I have here a can of regular spray paint, purchased at the Home Depot. Doesn't say PermaPlate on it, doesn't say Sam Leman Auto Group, nothing like that. I've actually gone ahead and I've put our paint guard on the exterior on the hood of this vehicle. What I'm actually going to do is pretty drastic. I'm going to actually spray paint the hood. I actually put some spray paint on there to replicate some industrial damage. Now I'm going to actually go ahead and I'm going to light it on fire and bake it in there. Give that a nice little singe. You can see in the middle, it's burned in there pretty well. So, how do I get that off? I'm going to take a little renewer that I have on my pad here, because if I just started wiping on it right now, I'm going to scratch it. If anybody wants to come over and test this, I have 1 finger on this. You guys want to look at it? I got 1 finger on there. It's coming right off. Holy cow. Pretty cool, isn't it? Folks, that's the kind of protection you're offering your customers. That's what we offer here at Sam Leman Chrysler Dodge. How's that look?
It's good.
Thank you.